Hi guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm unboxing my brand new carry-on luggage from Away Travel. I'm so excited to share this review and overview with you guys. I have purchased 2 suitcases from Away Travel in the past, and I have their bigger carry-on and I have a medium-sized check-in bag. I have those videos linked right over here and also down below. So I decided to splurge a little bit and get a small carry-on, or I should say their standard carry-on, for my younger son, because forever he just had like a teeny tiny Ninja Turtle suitcase from like Target and a backpack. But you know, he's getting bigger and we're doing more traveling this year, we're doing more traveling next year, so it was time to upgrade him, and I wanted to get him something that is quality, that is going to last him for a long time. I know I don't have my Away bags for decades, but I've definitely used them on many trips, checking them in, putting them overhead, never having any issues. So I knew that getting him an Away carry-on is going to be the right choice. With this purchase, I also decided to splurge a little bit more and get him his own set of packing cubes. And I also decided to get myself a set of packing cubes so I can use for myself. And I'm very excited, and I do have other packing cubes that work well and some that don't work so well. And of course, these particular packing cubes are made for Away Travel bags, so they should be perfection. Anyways, without further ado, let me show you what I have over here. I'm so excited. This is the box that the suitcase is in. So it's, you know, fairly medium small size because it is their smallest suitcase. And then right here is the packing cubes. One is in this envelope bag and then one is in this. So let me open the boxes and the bags and see what I got. Case is packed to perfection. Let me show you. Here it is. It took me a minute to get inside. It had this on top. I'm not quite sure what it is. Maybe it's tags. Yep. So let's see the tag. Beautiful, perfect. Just your regular tag, but the quality, of course, is amazing. Okay, so here is this beautiful small carry-on. Visually see that it's just a tiny bit smaller than my bigger carry-on, but I think for my little guy, this is more than enough. Features that I really love on their bags or their suitcases is this TSA approved combination lock. It's so good. Their handle is amazing. Their wheels are amazing. They pretty much roll anywhere and everywhere. You don't have issues, you don't get stuck, and it's just like you could roll it like with a finger. Like, I'm telling you, with a finger, this suitcase is going to just roll. And I don't remember at the top of my head what their warranty is, but I'm pretty sure that they have a very good warranty. I want to say it's almost like a lifetime warranty, like they will replace anything that's wrong with the suitcase. So if a wheel breaks or, you know, you're having some other problems, they definitely stand by their products. So it's a very excellent company to invest. Now let me get you off of the tripod and show you this suitcase a little bit closer, and then we'll talk a little bit more about the other details and how much this bag was, and then I'll show you the packing cube. All right, I do apologize because it is very gloomy here in New York, so I'm forced to use a lot of unnatural light to make this as bright as possible. So I apologize for any shadows or any darkness. So here is this beautiful suitcase. The color of the suitcase is asphalt. So here is the top of the suitcase. You can put your combination here. You have your handle that extends quite high if you need it. All right, so I have it opened. It looks just like my suitcase inside, just a tiny bit smaller. So I do love this compartment because it's a good size. It's pretty much flat because the handle will be on this side. And so you could definitely fit a lot of stuff in here. And, you know, It closes nice and snug, so you won't overpack, and everything just stays very nicely over here. Now this side, this is a little bit of like a compression, so you could really, you know, put everything in under and then put this on top and kind of, you know, make it as snug as possible, and it will compress some of your things. So when I pack, for instance, I will probably put bulkier things that can't get flat, like shoes or makeup, anything else, maybe, you know, my camera gear, I will keep it on this side, and then all the clothes will go in here, because then I can compress it as, you know, as much as I could. So you could see that the handle is over here, so you don't have a flat space, but that's okay because it's still really roomy. And then once your stuff is in, it'll probably be a little bit like this high, maybe a little bit higher, and you could definitely make it as snug as you like. So a nice little pocket area. You could put, I don't know, maybe, you know, your toothbrushes, you could put socks, you could put maybe an outfit that you need right away to change, so that way you're not digging through the whole bag. It's also very, very roomy, so it's great. There's definitely plenty of space here. And this is just your booklet, and this is like, it's like a magic eraser type of sponge, and it pretty much takes anything off that might be on your suitcase. And this is a little attached pocket, and it has an attached bag in here. And so this bag works for like laundry, or it works as a wet bag, or if you wanted to put your shoes in here. It also has a zipper, and it pretty much folds up to nothing and goes right back in here. I'm on their website. I want to tell you the specs of this suitcase, so that way you can have a better idea. So this is the carry-on, and it is a 21.7 by 13.7 by 9, and it is 7.1 pounds, and it comes in 6 colors. I feel like it comes in more colors, but maybe this is what they have available as of right now. You do have an option to get a portable charger if you wanted to, like a whole battery thing, and it would sit, I think, somewhere right over here. I do have it on my bigger carry-on, but I decided not to get it for him because, you know, it's more money and whatever. He doesn't need it. He doesn't need it because I got him. But that option is available if that's something that you want, and it's, you know, it's convenient. So it is, you know, TSA approved combination lock. The wheels spin 360 degrees, and what else? It fits, it says it fits almost on any flight, and then it says check your airline. But I think this one pretty much fits everywhere because it is a little bit smaller. So if you're flying internationally, or you're going, you know, on any international flight, you won't, I don't think you'll have any issues with this because it is a little bit smaller, more like of your standard carry-on suitcase versus the bigger carry-on, which is just a tiny big case, is $275, and it says that it ships in 3 to 5 days, but I feel like I ordered it last week and 2 days later it was in my house. So the shipping was very fast, and it was pretty much the same with the other suitcases that I have from them, but it's just, it's really quick. Really don't wait for last minute if you do have a trip coming up and you're like, oh, you know, I'll just order it next week and have it for my trip, because they are a very popular company. People love away travel, and they do sell out of things quite often. Actually on a market to buy a backpack, and I know Away Travel has great backpacks, but the one that I want is not in stock. So I'm forced to go somewhere else and get a backpack and just kind of, you know, wait around until Away Travel restocks their backpacks so I can purchase one, because I'm over traveling with any kind of bag. I just want a backpack, and I want a cute, clean, straight to the point backpack. Now let me show you the packing cube. So as I mentioned, I have 2 sets. One I picked in black for myself, I do have the white carry-on suitcase, and for him I picked the same color, gray, and the color is asphalt. So let me show you. I think they were $45. Let me check. I have it written down here. So the Insider packing, it's called the Insider packing cubes. There are a set of 4 and they're $45. So let's see what they look like. So it's in a bag like this. Okay, these are the black ones. So this is what I ordered. Okay, so here they are. We have a large, a medium, a small one, and like a medium but a long one. Okay, I want to see them a little bit up close. And another thing I have to say, the zippers, chef's kiss. The zippers are amazing. They are so smooth and so good. They don't get stuck, and that's the first thing I did over here. They're not compression packing cubes, they're just regular cubes. And I do like that it does have this mesh lining or mesh top of the packing cube, so you can kind of see what you have inside. Because if you do have a large family, multiple kids, and you know, you have the same color packing cubes, it could be, you know, an issue, because you're like, is this mine, is this his, is this theirs? So I do like it, and it's big. You could definitely fit a lot in here. You know, this is the very small one, which is not so small, because when you open it up, you see. If you want to see them in action, definitely come back. I'm gonna have a Disney packing video, and I will definitely be using my packing cubes. So if you want to see, definitely be on the lookout for that video. It should be coming out in the next 2 weeks or so. And quickly, let's just open this one, because I am curious to see the color and if it really 100% matches the suitcase. So these are in this paper package, and they're not in plastic wrap like the other ones. But yeah, I think the color is pretty much the same. So they're exactly the same shape for packing cubes, and let's put them together so you could see the color. So this is it. I mean, it's like identical. My little guy is going to be so happy that he has his own big boy luggage, his own packing cubes. He's going to be such a little man, and I'm really happy with this purchase. Guys, I hope you found this video helpful. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I'm very satisfied with the quality of Away Travel bags, and they're just amazing. They're made very well. My bags are perfect, and I'm so happy I was able to invest in a bag, in a suitcase for my son, and he's going to have it for years and years and years and years to come, and I'm just thrilled about it. I'm gonna see the other 2 videos of me unboxing my Away bigger carry-on and the medium check-in. I will link them down below, so definitely check them out. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.